Hi, I'm Martin and today I'll show you how to use a MIDI cable. A MIDI cable has 4 parts: a cable, 2 connectors, an in and out one, you will see that later on the video, and a USB connector. So what a MIDI cable really does is not transfer sound to your computer from your keyboard. What it does is tells your computer which keys you pressed, for how long and how hard you press them, and even if you use a pedal. With that information, your computer can now recreate what you were playing, but now with the sounds you choose in your MIDI program. For example, you can choose it to sound like a normal piano or other instruments like a guitar, a violin, or any instrument you want. You can even create your own MIDI sound. First, you will have to connect the out cable with the in port of the MIDI keyboard. Then you'll have to connect the in cable with the out port of the MIDI. This is very important because if you switch them up and put the in the in and out on the out, it won't work, so be careful with that. And then you have to connect the USB port to a computer. When the blue light turns on, it means it's connected to the device. Then you'll have to turn your MIDI piano on, and if connected correctly, a red light will turn on. That means both devices are communicating with each other. Then we're going to open our software, in my case Garageband. Wait for it to open and create a new project. Then we have to select MIDI keyboard and of course create. In some computers you might need to select the MIDI device in settings, but in my case it worked instantly. Plug and play, baby! If you've liked the video so far, I would appreciate if you liked the video and subscribed. Thanks! Now it's time to play, but before you should turn the volume of your keyboard down to 0, so that you can hear the sound that you chose in the computer. Here are some examples. Enjoy!